Okay, let's see. So, again, while we're waiting, we'll just watch the top plate. OE. Got an IM opponent this time. Things are starting to get tough. What about this Smith-Morra gambit? Give that a punt. Do a quick F4. Let's play this one. I'll try and sacrifice the pawn anyway if he wants to take on c3. Might get some sort of gambit implication. Nope, he's still not taking on c3. Refusing. Is there something interesting about this? I wanted to check out. Or not particularly. CD D takes looks unpleasant. If I just take for a moment, okay, I'll just take and C takes D4. Give my knight C3 anyway. His knights are over there, away from his king for a moment. His bishop's hemmed in, so you know there's something. This bishop can return to this diagonal. Bishop G5 might also be useful. If not, to just get bishop F4 in, bishop G3, F knight D5. So this bishop's still a bit of a problem. I'm going to keep my head on the clock. I'm down on the clock at the moment. He's not really going to repair my pawns, is he? So another isolated queen's pawn game. But with the bishop on c8 being a potential problem. Do I really want to play bishop c2 in a hurry? It's got a nice blockade. I think so. Let's play that in a hurry. Mind you, taking and then queen d5. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, muppets. Huh. Didn't mean to do that at all. Oh no. That's ruined position, losing that bishop. How will it? Try and get back in the game. Alright, let's get the king off. Yeah, there's bishop a6 now. And there's rook c3 as well. Is there knight f7 for queen e6? Actually, that does threaten knight f7. Potentially. He's got queen d4. I think knight f7 might be a useful thing, but I missed that light square bishop now. Taking the knight f7 takes bishop f2. It's queen e6, queen e7. Oh, let's do it. So without the light square bishop, I just feel a bit robbed without the light square bishop. And this guy, okay, it's not amazing at the moment. I don't know this other weakness on this diagonal, but has he just fallen for this knight f7? This does use my remaining pieces for e6. So queen d4, bishop f2. Okay. What about queen e6 here? Rook at f7. Okay, so knight g5 or knight d6. That's queen d4. Alright, knight e5 it is then. So queen d4, bishop f2, and hope for the best. Bishop f2 for a moment. Okay. Knight d3 is bishop c4. Knight g4. I'll try and get this H pawn up, I think. Need some more attack. Like H5, H6. Queen moves Queen E3 to F4 or something. Bishop's very, very solid, protecting E6 here. There's a rook going to come in. I just want to try and get to his king before he gets to mine. So H6 and then maybe knight G4. If I get knight G4 in, I've got Queen E5. So if he ever plays G6, getting something with this H pawn, I hope. We could consider just sacking the exchange, I guess, and that's a winning ending. Potentially. What would happen there? Knight D7 on A5. Yep. This is miserable. Knight D7 to B6. Try and do something with position here. That rook could be useful. He's still not even. Alright, so knight E5 is threatening rook. And check here, and knight E5 is dangerous. So rook C7 takes, rook F7, almost making. If I play F4 there, I've got to go for his king or something. Check. King G5, G3. Before he plays Bishop E7. F4 King H5. Is that mating that of some sort? Am I being optimistic? F4 King H5. King's getting cut off there, surely. It's time to work this out. No. Check King F6. Okay, I'll play F4. King's getting dangerously cut off. If we play takes and try and get the king and then play G4. If I get the king over here, King G1, A3, there, A3, 8, King G4 takes. Let's just try and get the king to stop King H4. There's always Rook A7 last resort. 28 seconds, okay. Take on E5. That's the end of everything. G4 check here. Nope, I'm going to lose on time here. 18 seconds. King H3 for G4. Oh no, he's got King G6 now. I'll stop King G6, hang on. Oh, he's got Bishop G check, he's got check and the Queen. He doesn't even bother with that. That was unlucky. I think I've missed something here. Probably an easy mate, I guess. In this position, check King H5. So it does actually one question, G4 check. Oh man, what about rook takes H7 here? Does threaten mate again. Bishop F8 looks desperate. Oh well. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.